Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is the AI function in Google Sheets, but I can tell you that it's really very poorly implemented at this time. I'm going to take the example that they gave me on their website, and I'm going to try and apply it here. And it just formula parse error, not super helpful. I did manage to get it to work here. Maybe we can try on a new sheet, and C1 is, let's go with Alice, no, let's go with Candy, and you'll notice that you have to physically activate it, which is kind of annoying, but there it is, unable to fulfill that request. It's really just unstable. And let's go with C4, maybe because it doesn't like the name Candy. Let's say Allison, and generate. All right, so that one worked, but this one doesn't. What's wrong with the name Candy? Oh, Dear Party Candy. Okay, wow, that's terrible. Dear Party Candy. So really, okay, so maybe it just isn't like the prompt. Better yet, let's go see if we can find, if we can get this example to work. All right, and generate a slogan for event in A2. A2, I don't know if A2 has to be an event. A2, why A2? I'm going to say A1, and I'm going to say, oh, can't be A1, has to be B1, and now let's, the event is the soccer game. Formula parse error again. So if we look at, well, it has to be and C1. Okay, and B1. Still no joy. All right, so if we take this one, which seems to work, all right, so that seems to work, but it's just so horribly uneven in terms of output. That worked, that worked. That's just a bad prompt, I'm guessing, but this one didn't work. Maybe because I need to add and A2. No, because A2 is already full, so let's make that and B2, and add the and B2. Parse error, so B2 is golf. And race. And we'll make that into B1. And we'll make this into B2. And still no joy. In fact, it's not even parsing it. It doesn't like the spaces? Could it be that trivial? I don't understand why it's not working. Is it spaces? It didn't like the commas? Yeah, okay, that's a fail on the part of Google, specifically since it doesn't even give a meaningful error. Equals AI. Huh, it's not even picking it up. Write something about comma B3 and now let's say candy. Okay, so what's the difference here? It doesn't like the pasted, the copied apostrophes. Come on, it's really slow. So it doesn't like it. There we go. It didn't like the apostrophes that I copied and pasted from here. It didn't like these. That's why it didn't work. Thanks for watching and happy computing.